So now we did that. Let's go into game. Let's remove this. Remove all of these as well. Init textures, init player textures. Instead of this, obviously we'll do player init textures. Upgrades, bullets. Okay, bosses. Wait, let's keep. I'm sorry about this. Let's keep all of these for reference. All right. So player init textures. That's good. Init bullet textures as well. I'm just gonna make a void init bullet textures just for my own reference. We'll remove it later. I'm probably gonna want to do that above everything else. So pretty much at the top. So how do I init textures? I init tile, I init the player, I init pickup. So I'm gonna do bullet here. Bullet. Pickup upgrades power up enemies bosses. Pick up, upgrade, power up enemy bosses, bullets. Okay, so that's good. So how about we go into, I think this is pretty much done. Player, I had a few errors here. Let's go to where I create the player. I'm pretty sure you want to have the bullet texture here, body or body texture. Body textures, main gun textures. I renamed these, that's why we're getting the error. Shield textures. Let's close this because that's fine. Let's go down here, remove bullet, or wait, get bullet. Combat, right? And then we'll say, when we add a bullet, we're giving it this thing. Okay, we'll come back to this. We'll leave this because we have a bunch of issues here. We're gonna open one more thing. I think it was in, what does it look like? Reset. Get a string, play shots. Nope. Upgrade HP, gain HP. Where is it? Set gun level. Okay, main gun level. Main gun level. So this is important. Now we're reaching 15 minutes, but there's something I have to do. Let's open bullet. Bullet.cpp, bullet.h. Put it right there. Put that there, put this there. Okay, so in bullet, we have to remove this. Remove this. There are different types of bullets we can create. So in bullet, we'll have something called static, of course, like usual. Static, and then the array. The array textures, static int number of textures, static void init textures. Just do that. Go up here. Do as we always do it, right? And the array textures. Bullet textures, and then int bullet number of textures, void bullet init textures, and here we go. Now we can finally copy paste everything I did here, and then just say texture temp, temp load from file, bullet, textures.add. So I'm just gonna do this. Boom. So we have two of these different ones: missile rate text 1, missile text, and then we'll set. Here we go. Bullet number of textures equals bullet textures dot textures dot size. All right, so that will give us number of textures. That's good. So 2 different types of bullets. Fine. All right, so that's good, guys and girls. We got that. We're down for that. Now I just want to make sure that we can give it a type instead of a texture. This video is getting long, so I'm just going to fix that really quick. The constructor, I'm going to remove this texture thing here. All right, remove this texture thing just like that, and then we'll have a problem here. All right, the sprite dot set texture. We need a type, right? So let's give it a int type instead of a texture. Do that. Set texture bullet textures at type. All right, so that's good. Let's actually record the type in here. Int type. Let's do that. Let's record the type. I don't think we need that. We need an int type. Whoops. This type equals type if type is greater or equal to bullet number of textures. So if it's equal to, even because there are 2 textures but type is greater than those, then let me see. We need to do this. Cout error, no such bullet in type. Okay, we'll do that. std, just print out a little error. All right, and a new line, print a little error, and then what we'll do is type equals this bullet. Oh wait, type equals bullet number of textures -1. All right. If type less or equal to 0, less than 0, type equals 0. So we just need an error check for that. -1 might make it 0, so we'll just make it 0. That'll mean there's no texture. And let's see. What if we do this? Type equals type. If this type less than is greater than or equal to 0, then we'll set the sprite. Else std cout error could not set texture constructor bullet. New line, and then we'll give it a type. So that's good. Type is good. We'll have bullet types here. So static, let's make an enum. Bullets. Say laser equals 0. Let's see how player did it. What did we have? Laser 0, missile 2. So we'll just do this. Weapons. So these are the different weapons. We'll actually remove that. We'll let bullet handle that. So we'll just call it bullets instead. Missile 02. And then that's how we'll load the textures, because that's really important. So we'll have to load the texture in the same way. Missile text 01. And then we'll have a missile. Let's add the other one as well. Missile text 02. Let's just add that. Before I end the video, because it's really long, let me just see. Missile. Let's see, guns. Missile text 02. No, that's the wrong one. Missile text H text 01. That's what I want. 01. Missile H text 01. Now it's facing the wrong way, but still, that's okay. Let's see. At least we'll load it. That's Missile 02. Missile light. Let's call it something else. Missile heavy. Heavy. It's going to the left, so left. Missile light left. No, right. What am I doing? It's going to the right. Right. So laser 0. We'll have to fix this in enemy as well, so we can use the correct bullet texture. And then we'll have to load that in here. So we'll continue with that in the next video. Alright, thanks for watching. This video is pretty long. Take care, and let's keep going in the next one. I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye bye.